afternoon, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I greet you according to your time. Today, I'm going to show you a single app that you just invest 100 naira. Believe me, what you are going to make is huge. Like seriously, I'm going to show you how you can use 100 naira to make a lot of money in Nigeria. Now, first of all, you have to do you go to your Play Store, scroll to your Play Store. Don't worry, for you to get multiple bonus of whatever it is, I have dropped a link under the comment of this video. Just click on the link and download it. And download the right one directly because there are a lot of copies of it. Download the real one. So I will drop a link on the comment here on this video, that so you can just click and download the app direct. So what you have to do after downloading the app from the link on Play Store, then the next thing you do is open the app. First of all, let me take you to Play Store. But I've dropped the link. Follow my link to download the right one. Let me go to my Play Store. Here we go. You can see Piggy Invest. I have already downloaded. I've downloaded it. I'll just click on open. I have to sign out from the app I'm using before, so that I can give a practical explanation on how to do it. I don't want to use my rate details for some people not to hack mine. Now, since you are a new member, you just have to see this is what it's all about. Build your saving with ease and discipline. Second one, invest with ease in verified opportunity. Set up multiple saving goals and reach them. You see, I'll just click on register. Now, what I'm registering, remember this just for explanation sake. Okay, I'll just say my full name is Azelake Legoge, for example. Then my email address is Azelake Herring. Then my phone number kind of like 09036888908. Then my password. I'll put my password now. Now I put my password. Then put a referral code. Now I'm going to drop the link and my referral code on this video. Just use the referral code. Once you use my referral code, you'll get multiple of your first deposits. Now you have how did you hear about us? You select how you hear about us. That's how you hear about them. You select how do you hear. Is it through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram? You get what I'm trying to say. Then you can see all others there. Blogging, Google search, friends and family, or co-worker referral. So just select this friend, family, co-worker referral. You see, then you click on what you create account. Now relax. Here we go. These are my having issues. I'll just enter two name here. I don't want to use my real name so that you guys will allow it to load. You see, registration successful. Let's get started. Now once you have registered successful, I'll click on let's get started. Now you see, this is just new account. I just opened my account because I to hack mine. So now this is it. Now you see your total savings and the rest. Then after you have registered successful and login, then the next thing you do here. So now after logging in successfully, then the next thing you need to do is verify your email. Remember, a link was set to you. Once you sign in with your email, a link will be set to you. A link will be set to your email. So the first thing you have to do after you enter inside successfully, you have to verify your email. Okay. Now you set verification to your email. You set a verification link to your email. Great. So then you just have to go to your email, like look at my mail here and receive the verification. So you can see Piggy Invest here. So I'll just have to click on Piggy Invest. Now with this, see the verification link. I'll just click on the verification link. Now you can see also your email verified. Proceed to your dashboard. You see, I've verified my email. So once I verify my email, I'll just proceed to my dashboard. See, that's the first thing I have to do. My email has been what has been verified. I would have loved to show you guys how much I have on my own account, but due to the fact that a lot of my sensitive information are there, so I would love to use my real account. That's why I'm creating new account just to explain to you guys how it works. You see, once I have verified my email, see it is out now. Then the next thing you need to do now is what, add your BVN on you. Now either you add your BVN number or you add your what, your national ID and your national identification number. Remember, if you have national ID card, there's you have your name, we call it name or your nick code. So once you just click on it and you just what, said me, you just put it in, then you are done with this stage. Like I want to use my BVN, I'll just click on what, use my BVN. You get what I'm trying to say? So if you don't have your BVN, you see, if you don't have your BVN, all you have to do is just dial star 565 star 0 hash. That is, maybe you've forgotten your BVN. If you have a bank account that you've forgotten your BVN, then the number you normally receive alert with, just dial star 565 star 0 hash on it. Telling me, then you what, use your BVN, you just enter your BVN there. Once you are done with your BVN, then the next thing you go to what, tell us about yourself, which is here. So once you click on this tell us about yourself, this is where you what, you select your gender, are you male or female? You select your gender, then you go to your date of birth, you put in your date of birth here. How much do you earn in a year? Then you estimate, like in a year, how much do you think you can get? You estimate. Relationship status, you click on it. Are you married, single, or divorced? You click on it. Then you go to what, employment status. Are you a student, employed, unemployed? Then you put it there. That is all you need to do about this what, tell us about yourself. Now after this tell us about yourself, then you go to the next one, which is what, which is a secure a debit card. Now in order to earn from this app, I said you must invest 100 naira. You must what, invest 100 naira. That's the amount you need to invest 100 naira. What you have to do here is just take your now there are 15 digits in back of your ATM card. You put the 15 digits here, then you put the expiry date here, then you put your CVV here. The CVV, if you check the back of your ATM, you see one, you see 3 digit numbers that are in a white. They are in a, that's the background of the numbers is white. The background there is white. We call it CVV. It's 3 digit number. You put it here, then you put your PIN here. That's your ID, your debit card PIN. So they are like, if your debit card PIN is 0004 places, then you put it there. I will mind you, whatever you are doing, if you are creating an account here, when you are creating an account for this app, to secure your information, please don't ever use your phone number as your password, and don't ever use your date of birth as your password. Use anything you know that people cannot easily remember. After you put it, you can add a dollar sign, a minus sign, a plus sign, a multiplication sign, a naira sign, just to make your password strong. Then once you just put your information here, they will ask you to pay. That's 100 naira. You have to invest 100 naira. Then once you invest your 100 naira, you are done there. Then the next thing is here, this is your referral. Now any friend that you refer that that register order you earn as much as 1000 naira per referral. Any of your friends that register through you, you earn as much as what, you earn as much as 1000 naira. You earn as much as what, 1000 naira. Just have to share your referral what link. When you just have to share your referral what link. Now you just copy your referral link here so that you can share it with friends. There you are done. Then that is it. Now after you refer your friend, that's you see the first step, you verify your email, your BVN, you tell us about yourself. When you put your gender, you secure your debit card, you put your debit card. Set a security question. Now under this set a security question, maybe you forget your password or anything. Then you want to ask, you can set a security question. Okay, what's your popular name in school? Then you give the answer. So at any time you can use this your security question to retrieve back your account. Then it's not just about referring people to earn money. There are a lot of ways that you can earn money. Now like here you can set automatic on, you can just click on order this place there. You see home service. So I'll just click on this word service. Order this service there. You can say okay, you want to save, okay, you want to be saving some particular amount every month. Now clicking on saving particular amount every month or every week, any amount you save, you earn 8% of it.
If you save 100 naira every month, you'll be having what, 8% of that 100 naira you send. So the your what I'm trying to say. So the more money you have, the more you make here. I believe this is helpful. Now, once you watch this video and before you proceed, in order to help you make this money online, maybe you might be confused. Now, don't just rush download the app and just enjoy. You can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 090 36 888 908. I repeat, 090 36 888 908. So once you add me up on WhatsApp, then I will coach you on how you are going to do. I will add you to my WhatsApp group where I normally teach people how to make money online. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you will never miss a special video from me. Okay? All my subscribers, I have a group, I have a group for them on WhatsApp where I teach them everything I teach them on YouTube. So see you guys. I hope you earn from me as well. Okay? Now before I go, I would like to show you something, a screenshot, for you guys to know how real this thing is, so that let you not think maybe I'm just making mad. So this is real. Okay? It is real. I just have to show you my screenshot. It is real. You can see here. So relax, that's why you make money. Bye for now.